Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click your account icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. A drop-down appears showing your current account details and several account management options. From the menu that appears, click Switch Account to see your list of linked accounts. YouTube displays all the Google accounts you've signed into on this browser. Select the account you want to switch to from the list, and YouTube will begin switching you over. The screen briefly shows a loading state as it switches your session. The page reloads, and you'll land on the YouTube homepage signed in to your selected account. Your personalized feed and recommendations now reflect the account you've just switched to. If you need to access YouTube Studio from here, you can find it in the sidebar on the left. It appears below your subscriptions list in the main navigation menu. Click the Create button in the top right, and you'll see a How You'll Appear dialog confirming which account you're currently using. This shows your channel name and profile picture so you can verify you're posting from the right account before uploading or going live. When you need to add a new account to your Switch list, head to Google Account Settings and link it there first, before it will show up in YouTube. To switch back to your original account, just repeat the process. Click your account icon, select Switch Account, and pick the account you want. Remember that switching accounts in YouTube Studio changes your entire Google account session in that browser, so all Google services will reflect the switch. You can speed up future switches by bookmarking YouTube Studio for each of your accounts. And that's how to switch accounts in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.